Do you have a plan when you sit down to practice? I did a little online survey and the response was very much no. Most of you did not have a plan when you sat down to practice, and most of you really wished that you did. So I'm here today to talk to you and teach you how to create your very own practice plan, because research, science, all the studies show that when we have goals and a plan on how to accomplish those goals, we are far more likely to be successful, and I want you to be successful. So I'm here to help. Let's dive in. What do we need to do when we sit down at the piano to practice? In my opinion, and I'd love to hear yours, there are 4 elements to a perfect practice. There's the warm-up, there's your technique, there's your song, like your repertoire development, and then there's fun time, just playing around, goofing off, and ending, with something that you really, really enjoy. So let's quickly dive into each of these elements. You sit down, you're gonna do a warm-up. Now this could be 2 minutes, this could be 15 minutes. It all depends on your time frame. But a warm-up would be like a simple scale review, maybe a hand-in exercise or any other kind of dexterity exercise that just kind of gets your fingers moving and helps you to arrive at the piano. If you're going through your day and you sit down and you are immediately launching into this complicated song you're working on without any other thought, it's probably gonna be difficult for your fingers and your brain to catch up with you. Warm up, breathe deeply, smile, and you'll set yourself up for success. After your warm-up, technique time. Now, technique can make a lot of us feel very sad, but it's so important. And there's a really, really cool way that you can be strategic about your technique practice to support your song. Because as far as I'm concerned, the song is at the top of the pyramid. That's what it's all about. So, for example, you are working on Hallelujah by Leonard Cohen in the key of G. I heard there was a secret chord, that one. That means that when you're practicing your technique, practice it in the key of G. Practice your G arpeggios, practice your G major scale, and then if you want to get even crazier, look at the chords in the song that you're working on and practice your chord inversions for all of those chords. Now your technique is directly linked to your song, so your work that you're doing in your technique time, developing all those important skills, is supporting the song that you're actually trying to develop. So you have more of a reason, you have a better why am I doing these scales and things to support your song. So that makes your technique easy. Now, once you're done your technique, then you get to go and practice your song. And depending on your song goals, you might want to look at the whole picture and break it into smaller chunks. You might want to isolate the challenging areas and focus on those, but spend the bulk of your practice working on your song. Now, when you're done, it's time to shake it all off and just play. Whether you're reviewing something that you've mastered and you feel really positive about, or you're doing some improv, or you're just messing around, just take some time to not be serious, not take the piano seriously. I'm not even kidding. You could just key mash. Just sit down, I don't know, see where your hands go. Have a little laugh about it. You might be surprised. I've actually come up with some really fun chords while I've been key mashing that I wouldn't have thought of otherwise. And then that's it. That's your practice. So it takes 5 minutes of planning to pick your song, figure out what key it's in, what chord it includes, create a plan that includes a warm-up, technique that supports the song, what you're gonna do with your song, and then some playtime. And now you have a plan. And you can customize this to fit your daily schedule. If you're super busy and all you have is a small amount of time, figure out, do a teeny warm-up, just a little bit of technique, just a line of your song, and just a quick little fun time. And if you have more time, make it longer. So, we've got a little download for you here that you can use to help you organize your practice time. That includes the 4 elements, and it will help you to, get it all on a piece of paper. You can put it on your piano and keep track. Comment below and let me know what you think of this. Do you think I missed any important elements of a practice? And I hope that you use this to help you improve and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching.